I'm doing is making 4x6s out of the roughest heartwood with all the knots and defects and everything in it. I'm making it to 4x6s because 4x6s, they are a set price, whereas grade lumber, it has different grades. So your FAS pays way more than your 1 common, 2 common, 3 common. So what I'm doing is kind of shaving boards off of all 4 sides of the log until I get down to where it's nothing but knots. Like this right here, it's probably going to get pretty rough because there's already 1 knot on this board. And this is my second board off this side. So after I push this board off, I'm going to see how many knots are in it. If there's a bunch of knots on it, I'm going to go ahead and flip it. Actually, that knot cleaned out. So this is a clear FAS board right here. This is what I want to see. And if it saws good, if the log saws good like this one right here, all the way down, I'll saw it all the way down to 2 4x6s. But if it starts getting really knotty along the outsides of it, I'll make 6 or 8 4x6s out of it. Just depending on the grade. So the lower grade logs, like a log this size with a bunch of knots and stuff in it, I'll make 8 4x6s out of it. Because the 4x6s, they pay the same price whether they're grade. They pay the same price whether they're high grade or low grade. It doesn't matter. They all pay the same price.